Hi everybody, I'm Kate. I'm back out here in my garden. I'm actually going to be bringing a bunch of my indoor plants out here. I have a ton of just my inside plants that you'll see. I need to get them in some bigger pots. A few of them need to be split. I'm going to try to propagate some, prune them, just do some general gardening with my indoor ones today. I might grab a few outdoor ones if I see something that might need a little zhuzhing up. That's it. We'll go from there. Also later, I'm gonna show you my figs. See nothing. All right, so we got some backup pots ready. We've got these are just the soils that I use. Use what you are comfortable with. As I'm doing each plant, I'll look up and see what I'm supposed to be doing with them just to make sure. But I think generally I haven't had any issues with just this plain mix for anything, and then this one for the cactus. But yeah, here we go. This little plant gave me, I think, 3 more plants. It had so many packed in there, and it had like a little netting around the roots. It's a store-bought plant, so just remember, if you ever get a plant in the store, sometimes they have little cages or little things on the bottom that prevent the roots from growing properly. So you'll want to remove that. I have these everywhere. I have them in every kind of light, every kind of soil. They grow in anything, and watering is not really it. Of course, they need water, but you can forget, obviously. Look how dry those are, and they'll keep coming back. And some of them trail, some of them mound, but these kinds are trailing, so I'm going to make this a little kind of hanging trailing plant. We found these on a table at our old apartment complex. They go by a lot of names. What was written on the little container that was left there was White Widow. So these are water propagated though. I just clicked right below the node, popped them in some water, and now I have all these new little plants. All right, so I have a ton of new plants now, which is great because I'm going to start decorating my second bedroom for when I start doing whatnot shows, um, which is going to be super cool. We just decided on like a color scheme and a whole little style that we're going to aim towards, and plants are of course going to be part of that. So yeah, I have a ton of these new babies now. I'm going to get them watered down. I definitely forgot to use the cactus soil for my cacti. Um, that's okay. It should be fine. The soil looked the same as what was already in it. Oh, this one here, this beauty, my youngest baby, oldest baby. This is my oldest baby. Um, I've never propagated from it. This is just, it used to be like 2 leaves high, just a tiny, tiny, oh, we're over here, tiny, tiny baby. So now it's all this huge one. It's one of my favorites. It sits right in the corner, but it needs a bigger pot. And I thought I had one, and I don't. So I'm gonna have to go to the store and get one. But I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I don't want to do it today. So right now I'm just gonna get it staked up a little bit more so that it's not falling over. And then these ones, I'm gonna get them drowned real quick, a bunch of water in them. After that, I'll just start placing them around the house for now, wherever the best light is for them. And that's it for potting. Let me get them watered and talk to you in a minute. The moment everybody's been waiting for. It's the baby figs. They have survived. All those old leaves fell off. There's new leaves. There's rooting. They're good to go. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I know it's just potting, but it's fun. It's getting your hands dirty. It's creating things, and that's always the goal. So next garden video, I love to get out in the back garden again. I need to clear out that whole space in the back so that I can get things ready for fall. Maybe a few other things, but I'll keep you updated on my other socials. So if you don't follow me there, it's the same handle on Instagram and TikTok. And that's it for today. Bye-bye.